Guys, do you know mentioning a particular brand or a particular company on your video can increase the amount in which that video will make over time? Yes, let that sink. This video is a video that I didn't really know that this video will make this amount. This video just has only 1.1 views. Let's dive into the analytics of this video and see how this video performed. Yeah, for just 1k view. Then we'll know if it's worth it or not.
So you can see from the video performance, this video, since I posted it, is 7 days ago. So as you can see, the rank by views 1 of 10, the views 1.1k, the impression click-through rate 7.6%, which is good. The average view duration, as you can see, is not that much, 1.59, sorry. So we are going to go to how people found this video through YouTube recommendations, channel pages, other YouTube features, direct or unknown, and others. Okay, we can see typical 130 to 270. All right, people are also watching this video from external sources and from my end screen. All right, so see related shorts. That's why I said your shorts are important. That's if you are doing it the right way. Don't go posting what is not yours. Post a video that that is related to that particular video, and you'll get subscribers and views from there. So let's go to the audience retention of 22%, 22.1%. Let's go to the reach. As you can see, the reach of this video has gotten 12.8k impression, and the impression click-through rate 7.6. You said that. The views 1.1. You said that. This is external sites, Gmail, and YouTube search terms. What people are searching for that made this video pop up. How to uncheck publish to subscription feed, and notify subscribers. 30 minutes timer. Yeah. So content suggesting this video. Their content, this person did, this particular lady did the same, talked about the same topic. So her content and other ones, and my videos are also suggesting this particular video. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the engagement of this video. The watch time, I've gotten 37.4 watch time hours from this particular video. So there is it. Then audience. The audience of this video, 299, check more on it. So 299 returning viewers, then 608 new viewers. Yeah, my viewers are watching. So these returning viewers are viewers that have watched my content before and they are returning to watch. And these new viewers are viewers that are just seeing my content for the first time. So the video did well. Then the age bracket watching this video is just 25 to 34 years. So just one age bracket watching this video. Wow, interesting. So the gender, both male and female are watching this video, but the female are more I think I have more of female audience. So the top geographies watching this video. The top geographies watching this video, we have Nigeria, we have United States, United Kingdom, South Africa, and Kenya. So these play a role in how much you are going to make on a particular video. The people watching you, if you have people from the UK, the US, from the developed countries watching you, you'll be making more money than when your viewers are coming from countries that are not that developed or underdeveloped countries. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Watch time from subscribers. My subscribers gave me 12.7%. People that have not subscribed, 87.3%. Please, my subscribers, you should be watching my videos. So now we are going to head to the subscriber count, which this particular video has given me 13. All right, now heading to the one that you all are looking for, are waiting for. Okay, the revenue aspect. Then Let's see the revenue. I have made $7.17 from this particular video. Yeah, so as you can see, my RPM is $6.48 for this particular video, and my my CPM is 16.61. That is what the advertisers are willing to pay for their adverts to play on my video for each 1,000 views I have on this particular video. So as you can see, it has both the skippable video ads, the display ads, bumper ads, and non-skippable.
If you ask me, I would say this video has done really well. Yeah, because some of the videos on my channel that are more than 1k views haven't given me this amount. You understand? I intentionally did a review on this particular one because I was amazed to see this, this $7.17 for just 1k view, 1.1k view. Guys, YouTube pays, okay? I don't know. I think it's the title, or I don't really know how it happened, but this video is giving me a lot of dollars, a lot of cents, which I don't know how this happened. I don't know, I can't explain, but I am super grateful and super excited that I could actually make up to $7 from this particular video. And that is going to be a reminder for you all that is still doubting that you can make up to $7. You can have an RPM of up to 6 point something for a particular video. You can, okay? So just keep on putting out content and make sure you're optimizing your title very well, because the way you optimize your title can be the change you are looking for, can increase the CPM and RPM of that particular video. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to this channel, and please recommend this video to your friends, recommend this channel to your friends. So thanks for watching again, and I will be seeing you on our next one. We will be sharing amazing tips and tricks for you to go viral.